All right. Good morning. This is Power Standard number 3 practice for master exams. Okay. This has to do with our trigonometry, setting up problems, not solving them, using the 3 trig functions, sine, cosine, tangent. And then it also includes some of the axis of symmetry calculations that we did before we left school. Okay, so this one, all right, remember sine, cosine, tangent is not that one. So, ka, toa, right? So sine of the angle equals opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine of the angle equals adjacent over hypotenuse. And tangent of the angle is opposite over adjacent. Okay? So when you're labeling the picture, you have to look at what angle it's referencing. So these problems is A. A is our reference angle. So according to angle A, what is the opposite side of angle A? Well, I got to go to the side that is opening up. That's the opposite. Open, opposite. So that's opposite. The hypotenuse, remember, is always along the side across from the 90-degree angle. The box kind of points to it. So it's the hypotenuse. And the whatever's left is adjacent. Okay, so you just create fractions based on that. All right. So opposite over hypotenuse, you take the number that's opposite, put it on top. I'll give you sine. So opposite is 21 over hypotenuse, which is 29, and you're done. Okay? That's it. So you finish up the cosine and tangent. All right? For the setups, you follow the same exact pattern. Okay? We just have to figure out, well, which one am I using? Sine, cosine, or tangent? So I'll try to keep that up there. All right? So this is our angle. What side is opposite of it? This one. So that's opposite. This is the hypotenuse. And this is the adjacent side. So there's nothing on the hypotenuse side, so I'm not using hypotenuse. So look at the top up here. What uses opposite and adjacent? Well, sine doesn't, cosine doesn't, but tangent does. Okay, so I'm going to follow this exact formula here. Tan of the angle, which is 64 degrees, equals opposite side, which is x, over adjacent side, which is 15. And I am done. I'm just setting it up. Okay, I'm not solving anything. I'm just setting it up. All right, so you're going to use this to kind of help with your practice. All right, and then this last one, you have to remember the axis of symmetry divides things in half. Okay, so if we make a little graph, all right, axis of symmetry, I'm going to make a graph down here first. Okay, so here's an axis of symmetry. All right, let's say it's on 3. All right, and I have a point here on 1. Well, this is 2 away, so this has to be 2 away. There has to be a point over here on 5. Okay, here's another one. Here's a axis of symmetry on 6. Well, there's a point up here, that's 6, 3. All right, and there's a point over here. Nope. There's a point over here at 12, 3. All right. So from 6 to 12, that's 6 away. So I have to go 6 away on this side, which, how far is 6 away from 6? The other way, 0. So 0, 3. All right. So you kind of have to think the axis of symmetry is your middle point. All right. So for number 6, axis of symmetry is at x equals 6. Okay. There's a point at 2, 8. So 2, 8 right here. So there's another point on this parabola that's on this side. But how far away is it? Well, 2 is how far away from 6? 4, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then, so that means this point has to be 4 away from 6. Well, what's 4 plus 6? 10. And you got it, okay? So just, think about the axis of symmetry. Look at these notes. And do the best you can. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know.